Hey guys, I'm here with my Megabowl, and this comes with the low cough kit, which is basically 2 ash catchers, tar buster, and a mouthpiece. What this is going to do is going to drastically reduce your coughing when you're going to use this unit. So basically, you guys unwrap your unit, and you have your power supply plugged in. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this thing go down the temperature, and I'm going to set it all up for you. I'm plugging this guy in right now. It'll take a few minutes and it'll get down the temperature. We're shooting for a -10 to -15 degrees in order to start. So anyways, you're going to get your mouthpiece. Mouthpiece is going to go in through the outlet. Then we're going to put in our ash catchers. You don't need two. You can get away with one, but I'm extreme, so I use two. I'm going to take off your cap here. Megabowl. Okay. We're about 10 degrees right now. We're going to give it a few more seconds here to get the temperature. We're going to light it, and I'm going to show you the difference. Okay. I'm just at about a -10 right now, and I'm going to light it. Here we go. No cough. It's going to drastically reduce it. You may have a little tickle. That's due to dryness. Okay? This is the ensemble that's going to make you enjoy getting medicated. Don't worry about it. You're not going to cough. If you do, big deal. You're not going to go into a coughing fit like you used to. Good luck and Happy New Year, everybody. TEC pipes, the way to be.